What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to the Crypto Monkey, the only show where we decode crypto chaos with equal parts of facts, fun, and absolute nonsense. Today we got India's code doing more justice than your portfolio. ZZ getting pardoned like he is in a season finale, and AI that apparently can't even freelance. So buckle up, it's going to be one of the wild blockchain of roast. So in this first segment, India's code just told WazirX, bro, you can't touch others' XRP. Apparently after WazirX got hacked for $235 million, they thought, maybe we can use some user funds to fill the hole. The Indian code basically said, no, that's not how it works. That's like a bank using your own savings to buy them a new phone after them getting robbed. So apparently, nope, that's not how it works. So one investor, Rutu Kumari, a Chennai-based user, had deposited roughly 2 lakh rupees in 2022 to buy 3,532 XRP tokens using her Indian bank account, creating an undeniable domestic link. The judge ruled that the XRP belonging to Rutu Kumari is her private property, not part of WazirX emergency fund. So this is actually huge. It's one of the first time an Indian court recognized crypto as property that belongs to the user, not the exchange. So the real translation is India slowly started loving crypto like a pet dog loved by your mother later. So yeah, WazirX learned the hard way. Not your keys, not your coins. In the next news, our Changpeng Zhao CZ, ex-Binance boss, got a presidential pardon from Trump. He say he was a little surprised. Yeah bro, we all surprised when billionaires get miracles faster than we get our dinner ready. Rumors, or maybe the fact, flew around that Changpeng had connections with Trump's family. He denied it all. So what he said was, never met Trump and saw Eric Trump once at a crypto event, and that's it. Basically what he is saying is, no backroom deals, here just a lucky break. At the same time, US lawmakers are like, hold up, was this a legal pardon or a loyalty program? Whatever the case, Changpeng's name is cleared and Binance just got a PR win bigger than the Dogecoin's 2021 pump. So the next segment is about Thodex collapse. Back in April 2021, Thodex suddenly froze withdrawals, telling users it was just maintenance. But plot twist, the founder Farooq 40 Azhar disappeared into thin air. Turns out he allegedly took off with around $2 billion of users' funds. Fast forward. Authorities caught up with him, extradited him back to Turkey, and slapped him with a mind-blowing sentence of over 11,000 years in prison for fraud, money laundering, and running a criminal operation. That's not just harsh, that's practically cosmic justice. And now, the shocking twist nobody wanted. Azhar was found dead in his prison cell. Early reports suggest suicide, though investigations are still ongoing. Talk about a crypto horror show. This saga had it all. Vanished CEO, billions in losses, and a grand finale that no investor signed up for. So the next segment is about AI that can't even do Fiverr right. Let's talk about AI, everyone's favorite, that will take your job mission. Researchers gave AI models 240 real freelance tasks like writing, design, and data analysis. So guess what? The best one completed only 2.5 of them. They earned $1,810 out of $1,44,000. That's less than your buddy who spends $50 on a crypto just to flex on Instagram. AI might be good at making logos, but when it comes to multi-step tasks or using common sense, it's like,
name an animal with 3 letters in its name.
Alligator.
But when tested for journalism, same here. 45% wrong, 20% hallucinated, basically the same accuracy as a crypto random user tweet. So stay smart, stay degen, and don't take financial advice from a monkey with a mic. This is your Crypto Monkey signing off, where your losses come with laughter. Smash that subscribe button, share it with your crypto fam, and we will see you in the next roast session. Bye!